Morning everyone, it's Dan. I've just woken up, it's the morning, I've got COVID hair, but I thought I'd give you a quick hot take because this morning the World Obesity Federation published a report that said that 2.2 out of the 2.5 million people who have died of COVID so far are from Western countries with a high degree of obesity. That is countries like the USA, like the UK, Italy, places like that. Now, are the COVID deaths because you're obese, or is there other confounding factors in Western nations? Well, maybe, but the point is that being obese is clearly playing into something. In fact, being obese is a big problem with pretty much everything you'll get as you get older. Most of the diseases, being obese is either a risk factor for getting it, or if you get it, you'll have a worse outcome because of it. So, the point is, being overweight, not good for your health. What can we do about it? Well, it's difficult in Western societies because they're kind of built up for you to be a little bit obese anyway if you're not really in control. But there are things that you can do to take control of your health. Do it early. So for example, I often think that we should be treating ourselves a bit like we treat our cars. Our cars get MOTs every year. We don't do that, but we can. We can do blood tests every year. And if you want to do that, go to my YouTube. I explain all of them in a preventative way. You can eat healthily, and we know that's something that we should do, but it's not that easy to do. But just going shopping, getting some fresh produce, non-processed, and cooking it at home makes a massive difference. You want some help on that? Go to my buddy Rupy at the Doctor's Kitchen. He's got amazing recipes which are delicious and easy to do. But the main thing you can do is probably get up. Get up and do something. So sedentary lifestyles, if you just sit on your ass all day long, if you're a couch potato, mortality for a guy goes up 20%. For a woman, it goes up like 40%. Just sitting down and doing nothing is really bad for your health. If you get up every day, you might find you start feeling a little bit better. In fact, some of the research has shown that no matter how active you are during the day, if you sit on your ass all night long, it probably undoes everything. So if you get up when you're watching TV at night, get up in the commercial break, get up after a Netflix show, just walk around, that can burn about 240 calories if you're doing that rather than just sitting down the whole time. And it's little things like this. So when we think about trying to lose weight, sure, you can buy all the Lycra, you can sign up to a gym, you can do all this kind of stuff, but these are big changes and they're not that sustainable. Weight loss is probably something which is done over time in a sustainable way, and that means making tiny changes which are easy to do, little habits. So just start eating a little bit healthier, start making the portions a little bit smaller, start getting up and going for a walk around the house in between your TV shows. It's the little things over time which add up. And if you do things like blood tests, you'll see changes happening on the inside before you necessarily see them happening on the outside. It's a long-term thing, but you've got to bear in mind now that by the time you get older, if you are overweight, and for example, if you're my age, so in like 30 years time or something like that, if my health trajectory at the moment, if I go overweight, well, it's going to go really, really bad. If I start making tiny changes now, then over, 5-10 years, my health trajectory changes. And suddenly, I've got a much better outcome, much better quality of life, much better everything when I get older. So that's kind of a quick take home today. Just some musings of a doctor early in the morning. Have a great day. And if you can get a haircut, know a hairdresser, let me know because I definitely need one. Thanks. Bye-bye.